Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the diamond shells stitch pattern. This one's super fun, so let's go ahead and jump into it. You'll need to know how to do a single crochet and a double crochet. If you need help with those, you can check down in the description below on my videos of how to do those stitches. So to get started, you want to do multiples of 4 plus 1. For this tutorial, I'm doing a quick 12 chains plus 1 for 13. So to get started, you want to chain 7. And in the 8th chain from the hook, you want to work your first single crochet. Followed by chaining 5, skipping 3, and working a single crochet. Chaining 5, skipping 3 stitches, and working a single crochet. Chaining 5, and skipping 3, and working in a single crochet in the last stitch. So our repeat for this pattern will be rows 2 through 3. So pretty easy. So let's jump into it. So to begin, we want to chain 3, and we want to work 2 double crochets in the first stitch. Followed by working a single crochet in the chain 5 space. Then working 5 double crochets in the single crochet space from the row below. And this will actually be our repeat for the rest of this row. So we'll do a single crochet in the chain 5 space, and then we'll work 5 double crochets in the single crochet space from the row below. Followed by working a single crochet in the chain 5 space. Then we'll work 5 double crochets in the single crochet space from the row below. And then we'll end by doing one single crochet in the chain space from the row below. And that is row 2, pretty easy. Row 3 is even more easy. To start off, you want to work 6 chains, work a single crochet in the middle of the double crochet cluster, chain 5, and we're going to do it again. We're going to work 1 double crochet in the middle of the we're going to work 1 single crochet in the middle of the double crochet cluster, if I can say it correctly. Chaining 5, working a single crochet in the middle of the cluster, chaining 5, and working 1 single crochet in the last stitch. And that's how you do the diamond shells stitch pattern. It turns out looking so elegant. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and I hope that you have a happy crochet day.